Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each car cleaning kit in this video will offer different options, so it comes down to which specific product meets your detailing needs and or pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of specialist kits and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. So let's get started. The car wash kit coming in at number 5 is the Griots Garage 11131 Car Care Kit. This 6-piece money-saving car wash kit is simple to use, so it's perfect for those starting out on automotive detailing. It contains some key detailing essentials in one bundle, including car and wheel cleaners, speed shine, wax, plus final rubber dressings and the synthetic clay that will remove stubborn contaminants. The Griots Garage Starter Car Care Kit comes in 4 steps: clean, shine, protect and enhance your car surfaces both inside and outside the vehicle for an incredible showroom look. The car care kit coming next is the Adams Car Wash Kit. This 21-piece mega car wash kit can clean all parts of your vehicle and includes car shampoo, a foam gun for wheels and tyres, interior cleaner and polish with a set of towels and sponges. Each product is easy to use and high quality, being developed and formulated with blends of polymers, acrylics and waxes to simplify the process of detailing your car. The Adams Car Wash Kit is versatile and cheaper than buying individual items as it covers all the cleaning categories, so it's perfect if you're just starting out or are a seasoned professional. The car cleaning kit coming in at number 3 is the Ariel Premium Car Care Kit. This budget 8-piece car care kit has a range of exterior and interior cleaners and the microfiber wash pad, so your car will have an ultra clean showroom finish both inside and out. Each product is powerful and effective, being scientifically formulated so tough on dirt, grease, oil, bugs or even fingerprints. The Ariel Premium Car Care Kit is easy to use, so when life gets messy, you can wash, wax, shine and protect your paintwork, glass, tyres, wheels and interiors. It even includes an air freshener spray. Next on our list of recommendations is the Chemical Guys Hol 148 Car Wash Kit. This 16-piece complete detailing kit is a perfect set of products, including a Torque Foam Blaster 6 that connects to your garden hose and a heavy-duty bucket to give your car or truck a scratch-free shine. It includes a range of chemical cleaning products, a wheel gel to remove road grime, snow foam wash with powerful hyper surfactants, wet wax for a deep shine and protection in seconds, and a glass cleaner. The Chemical Guys Hol 148 Car Wash Kit is great for beginners or professionals and includes a range of useful ways to apply the chemical products such as microfiber towels, a mitt and a short handle brush, all to clean, protect and leave a glossy shine on your vehicle. Finally, the car wash kit coming in at number 1 is the Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. This complete car wash kit contains 12 products in one convenient and affordable package that cleans, waxes and protects your vehicle's paintwork, wheels, bumpers and much more. The Carnauba Plus Liquid Wax leaves a glossy finish, providing superior, long-lasting protection, and keep your tyres black and glossy with the Endurance Tyre Gel. The Meguiar's G55032 SP Complete Car Care Kit safely removes dirt, grime and other contaminants without scratching your vehicle's paintwork, plus the Scratch X 2.0 removes swirls and scratches in the paintwork. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful car detailing tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.